Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Chip Happens. So in this video, Chip and I went on a little shopping spree. So we went to HomeGoods, Target, and a little local pet store. And Chip just did so well the entire time. And later in this video, you'll get to see what we got and all the fun goodies that these stores had. Sit. Yes. Good boy. Okay, so in those last few little photos, you saw what we ended up getting. So unfortunately, Chip is having surgery. It's nothing bad. He just needs to get a few teeth pulled, which is totally normal for dogs that are his age and especially small dogs. So he can only eat soft food for about 1 to 2 weeks. So we got him some human grade soft food for dogs. And then we also got him a little toy that either will be his like cheer up present or a Christmas gift. Our entire shopping spree was amazing, and we just had the best time. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video on Chip Happens. If you liked our video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and watch all of our past videos, and look out for upcoming videos every week. And don't forget to drop in the comments what your dog's favorite store is. Bye guys!